all these kind of little transitions that you don't count, it makes the algorithm, make YouTube or any social media platform you are posting your AI story to feel like, okay, your story has some human touches, not just copying and paste directly from your AI apps to upload directly like that. It's not just, upload from your AI apps to directly to any apps you are posting it. They like to, especially when it comes to YouTube like your AI stories or content to have human touches. That is why they will advise you to, edit it, add some add some touches, add some transitions, effects, body effects, video effects, and all that to your video. Don't just copy and paste directly from your video generator to posting to their platform like that. Add some human touch that at least don't let it have low effort. It is called, when you don't do anything, just AI to posting, it is called low effort. But when you don't do low effort, then you are good to go. So first thing we are going to do is you go to your Pinterest. This is Pinterest. You go to your Pinterest, depending on your type of movie. So you click on search, but this is general. You you search for night city view or city night view, anyone. Okay. So you search for something like this. You search for something like this. So now that you have your city view, you click the one that you want. Okay, I think I'll go with this one. You go to this three dots. Can you see these three dots here? You click on it and you download image. Okay. You can search for road, busy road. So can you see a busy road? You can search, you can pick anyone that you want. So let's pick this. Okay, I think this is okay. Then you can just, click here and download. So any of these two, you can search for more things that you want, and you can search for the building. You can search for building and the same way. So you go to your Grok or your video generator app. So you go to your video generator app, then you go and upload the video that you generated. The so this is Grok. Then you come here, this plus sign, you click here, see upload, you click on upload, then photo library, and you upload the image you generated from the image you downloaded from Pinterest. So this is the image, this one. Let me pick this animate slowly. Can you see animate slowly? And you can use 6 seconds. Since it is not a long video, you can just use 6 seconds, then you are going to send it. Make sure 9:16, then you send it. Or if you have something like that, like a video like that on your phone, you can just use it. But if you don't have, then this is the best way you can get it. Just animate. Then we are going to save it. Click on this. If you are using your phone, you see this arrow. Can you see here, down here, this save arrow? You click on it and you save. And if you are using your system, you see download or iPad, you see this arrow, just save it. You are going to repeat the same thing for every video that you are going to animate. If it's a building, daylight, or anything, so you are going to repeat the same. So you are going to repeat the same process. So the next thing we are going to do is go back to our Chronicles and upload all the videos, AI video that we want to edit. So we're going to upload the AI video that we want to edit. Let's say this is our full video, right? According to each scene. Let's say this is the video we want to edit. So you're going to read it.
Hello, Tunde. Please, can you come to Talefrika Cafe? I really need to talk to you. Not really. When you come.
Hello, Kemi.
So this is a conversational call scene. Okay, this is how you edit it. If you are not doing split screen, you can do split screen whereby you can do split screen where the lady and the guy, the two people on call, will be on the same page. It is called split screen. But if you're not doing that, if you do not generate split screen, this is how you can do your conversational call, and it will be like they are showing them or at intervals. So you listen to the first one.
Hello, Tunde.
Hello Tunde, you split it. Okay. You go to where Tunde,
Hello, Kemi.
hello Kemi, you split it. Then you move the hello Kemi to beside hello Tunde. Okay. Then we have something like this.
Hello, Tunde.
Hello, Kemi.
So the next one is the Kemi part.
Please, can you come to Talafrica Cafe? I really need to talk to you.
I really need to talk to you. Then you split it. Then you go to the big guy and see what the guy says next.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Then we'll pause it, split it, move that one to the where the lady said, I really need you to come. It depends on your this thing, back and forth, back and forth. So let's play it.
Come to Talafrica Cafe. I really need to talk to you.
Are you okay?
Not really. When you come.
So not really when you come.
When you come.
Then
Come.
Okay, I am on my way.
can you see?
Kemi, what happened?
Kola has.
So this place, you can either leave it like this transition place here, you can either leave it like this,
Kemi, what happened?
or you use a black fade transition. Then to get a black fade and transition, just click here, click on that transition, then you go and search for black fade. Okay, use the search bar. You can use the search bar here and search for black fade. Okay, so let's search for it. This is it, black fade. Can you see? Then you click on it. You can increase it or decrease it. Okay, can you see?
Kemi, what happened?
Let me put it at 1.5 seconds.
Kemi, what happened?
We are going to have something like this. Let's play it from the beginning. We're going to have something like this.
Hello, Tunde.
Hello, Kemi.
Please, can you come to Talafrica Cafe? I really need to talk to you.
Are you okay?
Not really. When you come.
Okay, I am on my way.
Can you
Kemi,
see?
what?
So for the beginning of this video, if you want to start a video, maybe you don't just want to start from where they are talking. You want to show it like a normal Netflix or Nollywood movie. You want to show something before they show the lady. Then you are going to come here, the start point of the movie. Use your plus sign, click here. Then you go and look for maybe road. It is day now. We can't use the night. I think this is a night. This is night view. So you can use the road during the day, or just remember I said you can download daytime and all that. Let me look for this. Okay. I think this is good, or this. This is good. So you can have something like this before your video. This is too long. You can shorten it a little bit. Okay. Then so before it move to that lady, before it show that lady, you can add a simple transition. Just click on it and come to here, to this place, that transition, and search for mix. This one, mix. Then you click on it. So you are going to have something like this. It's not going to be plain. Can you
Hello.
see? So now you have the entrance here, you have the transition here.
Kemi, what happened?
Do you see that it looks so real? Then you continue.
I even found something about that lady he's following around, but he refused to listen.
Kemi, can I tell you the truth?
What truth?
A good woman.
So the next one.
Eric, what are you trying to say?
I'm saying,
So this is the end of where they are here. So this is another scene entirely, right? From this place, from this scene to this scene, two different places, maybe 2 different days. Okay. Then the transition here, you are going to add something like a move or something, and here looks like night time. This place looks like it's daytime. So before you put any transition, you can introduce another feeling. So you put it here, then you click on this plus sign. So you go and look for daytime or feeling like this. Let's put something like this. So we will not make it to be too long. Go to the center and reduce it a bit. Okay. Then you're going to have something like this. Then you add that black fade to the center. Add a black fade. A black fade. So we have something here. Can you see? Then it will show them here. Can you see?
Kola, I know I hurt you, but I am
So
sorry.
they start another song. So this is how you continue adding feelings and simple transition. Don't put too much transition. And the transition here, you can use something like this. Just click on this center, click here, and you can use a transition like this. This one. Can you see? Or you use something like this. This shorter flash. You use something like this. Can you see? So then after editing like this, then you can add background music. And to avoid a copyrighted music, I have put out a video on how you can get copyright free music. Okay, you see this particular video. This particular video you are seeing on the screen. Go and check it on how you can make free music. No copyright, nothing. So you can add your copyright free music. Just come to audio here, audio, then come to sound and come here, this place, click on it. Can you see device? Can you see device? You have can you see now? You have so many. This one are the ones that I have done. For you to know how to do it, go and check that movie. I'll be using this one. This this is the music. This is the music. This is the song for this particular movie. So you are going to mute. I'm going to mute this. So I'm going to mute this one, this road. This is the trick. If you if your background sound is too much, people will not enjoy your movie. So this is how you cut and join your sound to make it feels very well. For to this place where they started talking like this, you cut the music. Can you see? You highlight the music and cut till when they stop talking. This is when they stop talking. They are still talking here. Yes, you split it. Can you see? Split. You see this O one where they are talking, this O scene where they are talking. You click on the music. You click on volume. Can you see volume? You click volume. You reduce it. You can put it at 1 or 2. I'll put this one at 1.
Hello, Tunde.
So when you are playing, then you have this place. This is road. You click on that road. You reduce the volume. Then where they start talking, you split it and reduce where they start talking to. You can reduce it to 1 or 2, but don't make it to be too much. So at the end of the day, okay, before I play the whole movie, this place that this lady heard something shocking.
Kola is treating you.
Yes, you see this this facial expression. You can just come here, put your this thing, put your divider here, come to audio, audio, come to sound effects. Sound effects elevate your video. It makes your video looks more elegant and looks like normal Nollywood or Netflix movie. Then you come and search for sound, like a shocking sound. I'll be using this. Yes, this one. So where that lady heard something, then I'll cut the shocking sound here. This part, I'll split it and delete the rest. I don't need the rest. And I'll increase it. I'll increase the volume. So it will be like this.
Kola is treating you.
So at the end of your movie, you are going to have something like this.
You said love was forever.
Hello, Tunde.
Hello, Kemi.
Please, can you come to Talefrika Cafe? I really need to talk to you.
Are you okay?
Not really. When you come.
Okay, I am on my way. Kemi, what happened?
Kola has changed. He does not feel the same way I do anymore. I even found something about that lady he's following around, but he refused to listen.
Kemi, can I tell you the truth?
What truth?
A good woman should not beg for love every day.
What do you mean? Eric, what are you trying to say?
I'm saying I would never treat you the way Kola is treating you.
You keep searching for an
Kola, I know I hurt you, but I am sorry.
What could be worse thing happen to you when you hurt me?
Can you can you see? You can go ahead and use keyframes. There are keyframe. There's something called keyframe. So like this place now, you can just click here. You can just select the video from the starting point here. This is keyframe. This diamond plus sign. You click keyframe and you move the video to the end like this. To the end like this. And you zoom in. You zoom in a little bit. Can you see? You zoom in. Then when you play it, you have
You come.
something like this.
Okay, I am on my way.
Can you see? So you can use keyframe. This is keyframe. You can use this is keyframe. You can use keyframe to zoom in and zoom out. You can use effect. This is effect here. You see video effect and you see zoom lens. Can you see? When you click on zoom lens,
Please, can you come to Talafrica Cafe?
when you click on zoom lens, you see these three dots inside the zoom lens. Click on it. You can reduce the speed or
Please.
the range. See.
Please, can you come to Talafrica Cafe? I really need to talk to you.
So can you see? So you can use zoom in and zoom out, and you can use zoom in and zoom out under effect here, or you use keyframe here, and your video will be looking like a Nollywood and Netflix section and Netflix series. Not that you just copy and paste from video to posting like that, and it will just look generic. No, add some human touches, add some basic editing, okay, and add some human touches, add some basic editing, and you are good to go. So don't forget, once again, this channel is about spilling the tea, making you know how to edit, how to create AI video, how to create a good and monetizable AI video, edit your content, elevate your content, and to make you earn money. And I'll see you in my next video. Don't